Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a wig review on this hair that you see right here, as well as a tutorial on how I got it to look so natural just using lace tint. So if you guys want all of these, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay loves, so first of all, this is going to be a two-part video. In this video I'm going to show you how I got the lace to look so natural just using lace tint. That's all that I used. I didn't use any foundation, I didn't use any powder, just lace tint. And so you guys are going to get an up-close view of, you know, the unit on my head before and after I did the baby hair, so that you guys can see what the lace looks like with just lace tint. And also you guys will see how I secured the unit only using the Got2b Glue Freeze. So I saw a few other YouTubers using just the Got2b Glue Freeze, I think that's what it's called. And so I wanted to try it because, you know, there's a few different ways that you guys can secure your units. And so there's the Got2b Glue, there's the Got2b Glue with the Got2b Freeze together, or there's just lace wig glue and so many other things. So I've tried a few different ways, but I've never tried the Got2b Freeze by itself, and I've been trying it for the last, I want to say, week or two, and I've been absolutely loving it. When I tell you it's quicker, also I feel like it's less of a mess, and it accomplishes the same thing, which is securing the unit. And so I've been absolutely loving that, so I decided to go ahead and do that in this video, so you guys will see how I did the process of slaying this unit. But in part two, I'm actually going to straighten this unit, so you guys can decide if you like it better curly or if you like it better straight. So first, let me give you guys the deets so that we can jump all into this video. So this video is courtesy of Shela Hair. They were kind enough to send me this unit that you see right here. It is their Shela Hair Bob Wig Deep Wave Lace Front Wig, and it's in 12 inches, and it's 150% density. It is retailing right now for $105.26. So my first thoughts about this unit is this unit was an absolutely beautiful unit. Straight out the packaging, I love the deep wave, the curls, like I was already feeling it. I wasn't sure about the length, so I decided on 12 inches because I have been doing a lot of like longer hair units, and I know that you guys have been requesting like shorter to medium lengths, and so I'm not a fan of like a super short cut, but I feel like 12 inches, like I can do 12 inches. The thing that I want you guys to understand is I don't always get to choose which units I'm sent. Sometimes they're just sent to me, and that's what I review for you guys. So if I'm not mixing up the units as much as you guys like, it's because that's what I've been sent, and I'm just doing the reviews possibly in order. So yeah, but hopefully from this unit you see that I am trying to change it up a little bit, showing you guys a shorter length, and you know, you guys get to see what it looks like on myself and what it possibly might look like on you. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this unit. Of course, y'all know I'm still learning, so there are a few spots where bleach like got on the actual hair. It's not the worst compared to like another unit or two that I've like done where it's like, oh my goodness, I have to like dye this hair black now. So make sure you guys stay tuned, because I will show you that I bleached the unit as well as what it looked like after I bleached the unit, and then I will show you how I go in with the lace tint that I was actually sent from Desirable Wigs. They sent me their Desirable lace tint in medium brown, and so if you guys have been keeping up with my videos, you know that I actually did a review. No, it wasn't even a review. I tried out a different lace tint. I used my own money and I purchased it because I wanted to, you know, move faster when it comes to, you know, customizing these units. So they were so kind enough to send me a bottle of their medium brown, which I also was excited because the one I tried before was dark brown, and I don't feel like it blended all the way with my skin. However, I was pleasantly surprised with this. As you guys can see, I think it looks pretty natural. I didn't do any type of like customizations because I wanted to give you guys like an honest review of how the lace tint worked and what my actual opinion was without putting foundation on it or, you know, anything of the sorts. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this in my future, you know, wig making process, because I do feel like it makes the process a whole lot easier. I didn't even do the what is it called, the stocking cap method or whatever. I just literally used the Got2b Freeze on my forehead, and I just sprayed it and laid it down so you wouldn't get any interference with how the lace looked on my skin complexion. So that's why I didn't do the stocking cap method. Now once I got the unit on my head, I did go ahead and spritz some water on this hair, as well as put a little bit of mousse in the hair. I did notice that I was getting a little bit of shedding, so I did save the hair so you guys can see. So this is the amount of hair that I got from just putting water and spritzing. So yeah, it's not that much hair at all, but I did want to let you guys know that I did experience a little bit of shedding, and that could possibly be because I did bleach the knots. So one thing that I'm loving about this unit is that I did not have to pluck this unit. It actually came pre-plucked, and I felt like it was good enough to where I didn't have to tamper with it, so I didn't. Now of course if I want to go back at a later date, then I will. But yeah, so this is the middle part without me doing any type of plucking. Now I'm sure I could have made it wider, probably even with using maybe some foundation or some powder, but of course I didn't do that because I wanted to show you guys this unit as natural as possible. As far as the hairline, I think the hairline looks very natural. I'll show you this side. I do believe that it came with baby hairs. Yeah, I think it comes with baby hairs, so I just slicked some of the baby hairs down. So yeah, that's pretty much what the unit is looking like. I'm definitely loving this unit as a whole. It is a bob. I feel like it's like shorter in the back and then it gets longer in the front. And then I love the like deep wave curls. There was a piece that I felt like it wasn't kind of blending in, but I guess I figured it out, so it's fine now. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I can say about this unit. Make sure to check the description box for the link to the unit, as well as, I don't know if they have a link to the lace tint, but I will link whatever information I can find down in the description box. So you guys let me know how you feel about it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also make sure to check out part 2 of this video to see if you like it better curly or if you like it straight. And I hope to see you in my next video.